JPMorgan, in its outlook, says that a Brexit deal is likely by the end of the year. Is this in goods and services or just some sort of fudge?
So, in general, we think there's going to be workaround solutions. We'd start with the goods as a base case, and then hopefully through that, some kind of work through for services will come to fruition. Our base case is that there is a soft Brexit, and that these kind of developments over the course of the past week, whether it's a positivity, or again, a relative positivity, or not the end of the world statements around a no deal, is part of the negotiations, right? You can't have an extreme statement about saying that the EU and a very conciliatory deal is the only thing that the UK can survive with from government. If you're going to then go start negotiating, you have to have some cards that you haven't still played out on the table. So our general sense here is that we will get something through in the course of the negotiations, and that the UK economy is still one to include in a lot of our clients' portfolios.
Why are you neutral UK assets then, rather than more positive, particularly because you actually do expect more hikes from the Bank of England as well?
Yes, well, a couple of things. The U.S. growth picture just is quite a lot stronger than the rest of the world, which makes us lean towards the U.S. emerging markets more for the valuations case and the long-term play of China and several East Asian and Southeast Asian economies. Neutral in the U.K. and also neutral within the U.K. specifically. We don't want to take large size or sector bets on large cap versus mid and small cap, because those are the exact two sides of the market that react to when sterling is low or sterling is high. So when sterling is highly valued, mid and small cap tend to outperform the FTSE 100, which is all large cap. And because sterling has already proven itself to be so sensitive to news flow out of the negotiations, we just want to take a more neutral stance on the assets that are so sensitive to pound pricing.